In this video, you'll learn how to update your Behance profile URL step by step. To begin, open the Profile menu and next you'll see the Behance Profile option. Click on it. Here, you can see my current Behance profile URL. As you can see, my URL name is Siam Digital Zone. Now, I want to change this URL name. To change the URL, click on the Profile menu again. Then, select the Settings option. After opening Settings, you'll see your current URL name along with an Edit option. Next, click the Edit link next to your Behance URL field. Begin typing your new URL once you've entered your new URL name, and then click the Apply button. Then, click OK to confirm the changes. After your URL has been updated successfully, next, go back to the Behance main page. Then, click the Profile menu and select the Behance Profile option again. Once you're back on your profile page, open your Behance URL again. As you can see, the previous URL name has now been changed successfully. The new name I just set, Tanibul, is now displayed as my updated Behance URL. You've learned how to change your Behance URL. Goodbye.